Today I show you how to unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you installed an app and you know the app is installed but it's not showing when you search for it, or it's not showing in the home screen, the app might be hidden. Maybe you did it before and you forgot to remove it, and I show you now how to unhide the app. You do a long press anywhere in an empty area on the home screen and then tap on settings. Now you are in the home screen settings. In the home screen settings, look at hide apps on the home screen and apps screen, and here you have the list of apps, and on the top of this list you have the actual apps that are hidden. Now I have the Blackmagic camera app hidden and I remove it from there. Press done, and once I do this I can start finding the camera app, the Blackmagic camera app, when I search for apps. I used to have it on the home screen, but it was removed, so I have to add it again. I can go into the apps screen and search for it, and I can add the app to the home screen back how it was before. Long press on it and then add to home screen. I can move the app to the main page of the home screen, and now the camera app is there again. It used to be hidden, now it's not. It's just like a regular app. You can still find the hidden app in the settings, in the app settings, but this is to make the app behave normally as any other app. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you bring your apps back.